Hello, if you have issues with Canva and it seems that the website doesn't work for you, let me tell you what you can do in order to try to fix this issue. The first thing that you can do is go to canvastatus.com, and over here you can see if everything is working. If everything is operational, then this means that the website is fully functioning and there should be no issues at all. Another thing you can do is pretty much check your internet connections, check if any other website works for you. If that's the case, then let's go to another point. If you somehow are logged in on the website and still nothing works on Canva, for instance, you cannot use any projects, etc., you can try to log out and log in and back again. So in order to log out, you can click on your avatar over here in the top right corner, and then here you will have the sign out option. And if you log out, try to log in and see if that helps. Another thing is that if you use VPN, then this also might be the reason why Canva doesn't work. So if the website doesn't load at all, and if you use VPN, then try to turn it off and then see if that helps. You can also try to use a different browser. So for instance, if you use Microsoft Edge, you can try to use like Firefox or Chrome or anything else, any other browser that in order to check that the website actually works for you. If it turns out that the website works on a different browser, then this means that there are probably some issues with the browser, and let me show you what you can quickly do in order to try to fix the browser. So for instance, if you use Microsoft Edge, you can go to the settings and then over here click on cookies and site permissions, go to manage and delete cookies and site data. And then over here, what you can do is click on see all cookies and site data. And then here you can remove all by doing so. And then confirm that you want to remove all site data. And last but not least, if you have any extensions in your browser, they also might for some reason make Canva not work on your browser. So if you use them, try to disable them one by one and see if this helps. Or you can, for instance, disable all of them at once and then try to see if that helps. If that helps, then of course you can turn your extensions one by one in order to see which extension causes the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.